Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Annalyn Inardecido. I'm 35 years old. I'm a single mother with 2 children. I'm a high school graduate. I had experience here in the Philippines for 2 years and 2 months as a domestic helper, finished contract. I extend 2 months because I am waiting for my replacement.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities are taking care of newborn baby and 7-year-old little girl, cooking, washing the dishes, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take care of them by cooking nutritious foods, feeding them, and make sure they are always clean and healthy.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam and Sir, I can cook Filipino foods and I am willing to learn more when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, fast learner, God-fearing, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you and God bless.